Hello guys, welcome to the YouTube series of data science and machine learning. Today we are going to understand comments in Python. Uh, so, comment is a one-line statement which is not meant to be executed by compiler. It is not meant to be read, or it is ignored by the compiler or the interpreter. So, just it is just like this. You can see here I highlighted it. Uh, the simplest way to write a comment is to put a hash in front of a line. So you can see this line has no meaning in the output. It is not printed or nothing has been done to this in the output. It is just meant to be read by the coder. So okay, the simplest way is to just put a hash. You can see it here. It is a multi-line comment. We have three comments here. So it is called multi-line. The other way to use a multi-line comment is to put three apostrophes or three double commas. So this you can see like just like this. This is a multi-line comment, and this will not be printed by the compiler or executed. Doc string in Python. Okay, we'll come to it later. Indentation. So the another topic today is indentation. It is a very important topic. So you must have. So those who have done studied C, Java would have seen for loop. We will go deeper in this afterward, but first you have to understand the indentation. What is it? Indentation. It is just like for those who have done C, you might remember writing a code like for um, I is equals to 1 semicolon I less than 10 semicolon I plus plus. Okay, and then whatever you write in these curly braces is executed by the compiler in C. It is in C, right? So whatever you write in this, it is in this curly braces, it is executed. But in Python, we don't use these curly braces or this. We just use something called indentation. It is nothing but a four spaces, one, two, three, four, and whatever is uh, written after these four spaces in the for loop will be executed by the compiler. You can also write this is, yeah, you can see this I in range 10 from 0 to 9. We will explain you for loop and ranges later, but first you just get the concept. It's only range 10, I in range 10. It means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Print I. Okay, so this is